The journey of cooking oils is a fascinating tale that stretches back thousands of years. It all began with early civilizations like the Egyptians and Mesopotamians, who were among the first to extract oil from olives and sesame seeds. Imagine the ancient Egyptians using olive oil not just for cooking, but as a symbol of wealth and purity. In Greece and Rome, it was revered, finding its way into food, medicine, and even rituals. Meanwhile, in Asia, sesame oil was making its mark, enriching dishes with its distinct flavor. Over in the Indian subcontinent, ghee and mustard oil became staples, each with its own cultural significance and culinary applications. As trade routes expanded, coconut oil gained traction in Southeast Asia, while in Europe and the Americas, animal fats like lard and tallow were common kitchen essentials. Fast forward to the Industrial Revolution, where mechanical pressing and chemical refining revolutionized oil production. This era saw the rise of mass-produced oils like soybean, sunflower, and corn oil, making them accessible to the masses. The 20th century brought about vegetable oil blends, driven by the need for affordability and shelf stability. Health trends began to shape public perception, with margarine emerging as a butter substitute. However, the vilification of saturated fats led to a significant shift in consumer preferences. The discovery of trans fats and their health risks prompted a turn towards healthier options like canola and olive oils. In recent years, there's been a resurgence of interest in cold-pressed and unrefined oils, fueled by the organic and whole food movements. Avocado, flaxseed, and walnut oils have entered our kitchens, celebrated for their nutritional benefits. Today, the variety of culinary oils reflects the rich tapestry of regional and cultural influences, from rice bran oil in Japan to argan oil in Morocco. Technology has played a crucial role, enabling hybrid seed production and enhancing oil extraction methods. However, global awareness has also raised concerns about the environmental impact of palm oil, prompting consumers to seek more sustainable options. Labels now provide detailed information on omega content, smoke points, and certifications like non-GMO or extra virgin, empowering us to make informed choices. Nutritional science continues to evolve, influencing our cooking habits with options like keto-friendly MCT oil and anti-inflammatory blends. Cooking shows and social media have reintroduced traditional oils, showcasing their versatility and flavor. Sustainability movements are pushing for ethical sourcing and minimal processing, ensuring that our culinary choices are not just delicious, but also responsible. The history of cooking oils is not merely about food. It's a reflection of global trade, cultural evolution, scientific advancement, and health consciousness over the centuries. Each drop of oil tells a story, connecting us to our past while shaping our culinary future.